this is soya beans. I've already peeled it. I'm putting it to blend it and the water. So we're going to blend it and then we'll see how it goes. Power on and go. Yes, now we finished blending it. I just want to show you how it looks after you blend it. See, it's quite foamy, so don't put so much in the machine because the foam is going to, you know, it's very sensitive, this soya milk. You can see how it is so smooth, so silk smooth. I'm just going to show you, so smooth. That's how you blend it to this extent and then you zip it out. This is going to be the first zip before I cook it, because right now, remember, the beans is still raw. So I'm just going to zip it out, put in the big pot I'm going to use to cook it, and after the final cook I'm going to zip it one more time. I just wanted to just see how smooth, barely anything on the zip because it's so well blended, so smooth. Actually it has a consistency of half and half milk. Yeah, that's how I'm going to say it. Look at it. Is that not wonderful? So the milk is cooking, as you can see, and it's getting out foams. The foam can even rise up to see how far it can rise from where it was. It's like so intense. So when you're stirring it, just stay on it. Just keep on stirring at it. Don't go far away. Just stay very close to the stove. And if it becomes too foamy, if the foam is like getting too much for the pot, just reduce it a little bit. See, as it's cooking, is foaming, and this foam on top, it's like it's foaming out the impurities. I'm not sure, but you just keep it out. As I have this spoon, I just scoop it, the foam, just the foam alone. I just scoop it out, so only the good one stays behind there. Although you can still use this to make other delicious menus later, but for now, for the purpose of this milk, I will just scoop out, but only the foam, okay guys? Only, see, these are all the foam. Just put it aside and I keep on stirring it. See, when you remove the foam, it's like it reduces. I keep on stirring until it's cooking. It's getting there. When it starts forming skin, look at the skin is forming. You see the skin here? Like it's like when you boil milk and those skins that form on top of the milk, you know it's about to be cooked. So we're almost there. See the skin? Yeah, that comes. That's the sign. And you actually will start smelling it. You start smelling that it's getting there, you know. So we'll come back and I will let you know how I make it, how I change the taste, because you can make it just natural. You don't have to add anything. But I actually want to add vanilla, natural vanilla to it, not extract or anything. And I'm trying to use a very from Amazon. It's very good. Soya bean, and this whole pack is about $10 or so, so it's not really that bad, you know. Well, it's a little bit more expensive than buying them, but this is better quality. So I got this grade A. So since we're going to put in the milk, we're going to drink directly, I just sliced it open and I'm going to extract the flavor inside it. Look at it. This is where the flavor is. This little thing here, it's just like tiny little black eggs. This is where the flavor is. So I'm just going to put it down and extract it. See how I just put your knife and just pull it through. It's not difficult. And this one I'm not throwing it away because it has a lot of flavor. I'm going to put it inside the milk itself. And this is dates. These are dates. Oh, these are precious. Yummy. So these are dates. I cut them into little pieces. That's what I'm going to use to sweeten because I don't want to add any sugar today. And you can make it plain. You don't have to add sugar. You can add honey. Whatever sweetener makes you happy, you add to it. But I just feel like this today. So I'll cut it into little pitted. These are pitted dates. I bought them just like that. I cut them into little chunks. And then I'm going to put it in the blender. Blend it. And throw in this into the guys. It's cooked already. If you can see, it has a lot of dark skin, you know, like milk on top of it. This will show you that it's already cooked. So now I'm going to zip it out. If you have cheesecloth or a very clean towel, you can use it to zip it out. That's actually faster and better. But I'm just going to do this just to show you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to first of all zip it out with a big zip. Be careful. I let it cool down a little bit, but it's still warm. Yeah, that's okay. So look at all the breeze that I got out from that one. So I'm gonna let it there, and then I'm gonna zip it again with a very, very fine meshed zip. You see, very fine. See, the milk is coming. But if it's something that you don't have to share with someone, you're drinking alone, you can just press it out to different things you can use. I think the best thing is cheesecloth. Or you can use a very brand new socks. That will work. Whatever works, you know. Wash it very well anyway before you start using it. But this works for me right now. Hello guys, finally the milk is ready. As you can see. And I used vanilla bean to decorate it. It smells so good, it really does. And then I changed the water, blended it, as you saw in the video. I blended it and sipped it, cooked it, and then zip it again. And this is the final. I just added a little bit of vanilla bean, and any sweetener of your choice would be okay. So that's it. This is soybean milk present done at home. So you can do this yourself. You don't have to buy it in the store. Especially, you know, the most important thing is that you're sure what is inside. You know what you're eating. So if you're now into a vegan diet, hey, I hope this will be a booster for you. Try it. And please remember to subscribe, share, like. And I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Vielen Dank. Tschüss, bis bald.